Hello guys, and welcome back to Unlock Force for another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you fix account not in this store. So guys, while downloading apps on your iPhone from Apple Store, you face this message on your iPhone. So guys, here I will show you how can you fix this error on your iPhone. So guys, for that I will give you some possible solutions to fix this problem. So guys, the very first solution to this problem is that you will have to just sign out your Apple ID on your iPhone for one time, and then you will have to sign in again to fix this problem. So guys, for that, open settings and tap on your profile, and from here scroll it below and sign out your Apple ID from here and sign in again to fix this problem. So guys, after this, check if your problem is fixed or not. So guys, if it is not fixed, go for the second solution, that is you will have to set your date and time according to your country. So guys, for that, open settings again and tap on general, and from here tap on date and time and check if your date is set or not. So guys, turn on set automatically and check if your problem is fixed or not. So guys, after this, go for the third solution. If you are still facing this problem, that is you will have to just change your country or region according to your debit or credit card. So guys, for that, open your settings again and tap on your profile, and from here scroll it below and tap on media and purchases. So guys, from here tap on view account, wait for some seconds. So guys, from here tap on country or region, wait again for some seconds. So guys, from here tap again on change country or region. So guys, select your country according to your debit or credit card and check if your problem is fixed or not. So guys, after this, there is a final solution. If you are still facing this problem, that is you will have to just update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. So guys, for that, open your settings again and scroll it below and tap on general, and from here just tap on software update and check here if your software is updated to the latest version of iOS or not. So guys, if it is not, you will have to update it first to fix this problem. So guys, hopefully after all these solutions your problem will be fixed. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have liked this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.